So I've had a busy week and I wanted to share some of the projects that I've been involved in. Mainly I had to go up to Weston and pick up a bunch of boxes for a festival down here in South Florida, Miami, called Calle Ocho. It's a yearly festival. So for the festival I had to build a nice little display which I'll show you right here as well. I also had a project for a client making a chest, wooden chest with wooden hinges. So once I dropped off all the boxes, I headed back home, but along the way I have a Harbor Freight, so I wanted to stop by and purchase a few things on a Sunday morning, and I'll show you my little haul right now. So like I mentioned, on my way back from dropping off the boxes, there's a Harbor Freight and I decided to pick up a few things. So my purchase was, and I had a little coupon, so my purchase turned out to be $27.77. So let's see what I have here. Got some chisels, 4-piece set, 1 inch, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 3 1/4. Some epoxy. A digital caliper. Brad nails, 18 gauge, 1 1/4. And this 3-inch diameter magnet, 95 pounds of pull pressure. So, long story short, that's what I got today. Thank you for watching. This is Calle Ocho Woodworking. Subscribe, like, comment below. Let me know what you think.